Hey, welcome to another episode of GeekOutdoors.com. So today I'm going to talk about the whole subject of how clients are not just a job. Now, if you never had clients before, whether it's through freelancing or your own business, this might seem really unfamiliar to you, but I'm going to show you how it's very similar to whatever job that you have and how you can apply a lot of the same principles to your job. And so all of this surrounds one very important word, and that is responsibility. So when you have clients, you first and foremost have responsibility to your actual clients. Unlike a typical job where if you don't do your best work, you're probably still going to have a job and get paid. When you have clients, if you are not delivering value, helping their business grow, i.e. making them money, then more than likely you're not going to have that client for very long. So that is first and most important. And then the second area of responsibility is to the people that you are working with. Okay, so when you come in working for this client, most of the times they're going to have other people working in their business. They're going to have employees. And so whenever you come in, your actions truly do impact what's happening there. Because if the business is not making money, obviously there's not enough to pay for the employees, so people will lose their jobs. And so there's a different level of responsibility when you are coming in that manner. And then the final level of responsibility is to yourself. So this is where I really feel you could apply this to your job, because whenever you have responsibility to yourself, if you are in a situation where you don't enjoy the work or maybe the people or the environment that are around, there's nobody else you can blame in that case, because you are a freelancer, you are independent, so you have nobody else to go to. Okay, and so that way, if you want to improve your situation, then you're gonna have to learn the skills. You're going to have to gain experience or just look for a different solution to your problem. And that's why with all of these things, all going back to the theme of responsibility, I really feel that you can apply this to a job situation. And whether it is freelancing or whether you work for a company, just kind of look at them all as a client. Okay, so that way, whenever you do run into these situations, that you will not only be able to adapt and improve, but at the same time, I really feel that your work is going to be better because of that level of responsibility and the impact that you have at the business that you are working for. And so those are my thoughts on how, clients are not just a job. They're simply not just a way to get a paycheck, but you can learn a lot of really important principles from that. So if you had any thoughts on that, whether you have clients yourself or whether you had a normal job, be sure to leave that in the comments area below. And as always, if you did get value out of these videos, share, like, and subscribe. Hey geeks, if you are a creative geek like me and you wanted to learn how to create content on YouTube and other places on the internet, then check out my Gold Content Creators Group, where you'll get access to 30 videos plus additional content for all the creative geeks out there. And the best part of it is, all of this is free. Simply head over to the link below, check out my page, and sign up for my Gold Content Creators Group. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the other side. Thanks for checking out this episode. And as always, if you like these videos, be sure to click on the subscribe button. And for full written content, audio content, and additional geek stuff, head over to GeekOutdoors.com, and I'll see you outdoors on the very next episode.